Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of functional programming series. Use the every method to check that every element in an array meets its criteria. The every method works with arrays to check if every element passes a particular test. It returns a boolean value that is true if all values meet the criteria, false if not. For example, the following code would check if every element in numbers array is less than 10. We can see here every method is performed on numbers and a function is used to check if current if all numbers are less than 10. The every method would return false here because of the value 11, which is greater than 10, and 10, which is equal to 10. Task for this challenge: use the every method inside check positive function to check if every element in ARR is positive. The function should return a boolean value. In that case, return num it should be array dot every, and inside that we will pass number, and if num is greater than 0, then it should be positive. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.